Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm here in a parking area of my car here in Jebel Suluk, KSA. We're waiting here. All of these people over there. See my friend. And hopefully you are supporting to me. I'm a vlogger here in Jebel Suluk, KSA. Now I going inside. The other is going. Me waiting. Hopefully you are support to me. Like, view, share, and comments. I'm only here to stop. And thank you. And bye bye, my friend.